Okay, just a quick look here. Okay, we're on our final glue up here. We're gluing up this edge right here and that edge right there. Right there. Okay, and there's a little bit of glue up that I tried to clean up a little bit to make sanding easier. Should be good to go once the sanding is over. Just a quick note about that giveaway, we haven't forgot. Still working on the quilt. My wife is still working on the quilt. As a homeschool mom, she gets to it when she can. But that will be part of the giveaway with the tray. I haven't decided if I'm doing two different giveaways as part of our 1,000 subscriber thank you, or if they will just both be in the same package. Maybe you can leave me a comment about what you think should be the case. Two separate giveaways, you have more of a chance, or if you do win, you get a bigger gift. So, and then this part here, I brought it inside because it was quite cold last night, and it's completely cured. So I brought it in our house as opposed to leave it out here. It was about 50 degrees when I left, but it's pretty cold here right now. And so I didn't want to take the chance of that not curing properly. But so next step is me to sand that all down. And I'm going to see how that goes. Me and Isaac are going to probably sand that down. Take turns, or I might have to use the CNC to surface it if sanding isn't going well. So far so good. Should be able to get this finished this weekend, and then we will give it back to Lynda and get her reaction to it, and then post that for you. So stay tuned. Okay, it looks like it's going to look decent when it's all said and done, but this truly is one of the worst parts when it comes to epoxy, is the sanding. It's just going to take a chipping away. I'd imagine this is going to take me at least an hour, if not more, maybe hours. Just chipping away and getting that smooth, flattened all the way around. Get that tape out of there. All right, sorry, the heater's a little bit loud, but you'll be able to hear me. Okay, so I did a lot of sanding, and it's gonna look good, I think, but it just took forever to get there. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the CNC machine, and I'm gonna just barely shave off the top layer just to make it easier on myself. I'm kind of working my sander a little too hard, and I could probably knock this out in half an hour if I just did it on the CNC between just setting it up and everything. So I think I'm going to try to do that. There is some risk involved that I would go too far, so I will have to be careful with that. So hopefully it turns out okay. We did take a good couple of layers off with the CNC machine, but there's still quite a bit on there. And it did start to kind of dig into the wood, and I don't want to do that. So That's all the further I can take it with the CNC machine. Now I have to use my extra special sander, one that I haven't used for the epoxy yet. And his name's Isaac. So he's gonna be doing some sanding here. And that is the kind of the next step. All right. Okay. I hope she likes it. This is just pre-sanding and pre-finishing, so everything's gonna just pop in a little bit. Stay tuned. It's gonna look cool. All right, this is the best part here for us, so we'll see how our work turned out here. If you can see that wood grain come popping out. Beautiful wood. A little brush hair in there. Okay, but you didn't come here just to see the wood grain. You came here to see the whole thing. So let's just get right into it, shall we? Poppy. Isn't that neat? Let's just do this here. do you think, Isaac?
Looks awesome.
You think so? Think she'll like it?
Yeah.
I certainly hope so. Okay, well, we'll finish up the rest of this and then we'll give you a shot of this when it's all done with the first coat. All right, freshly first coated cherry wood. Okay, I don't know. What do you think? You think she's gonna like it? Leave a comment. Leave a comment if you think Lynda's gonna like this or be mad at us. I don't know. It's possible she could be mad at us, so stay tuned and we'll find out. But who could be mad at Isaac? Really, come on. Isaac and I are on our way to Lynda's house to bring her the table back there. I'm nervous. I don't know about you. How you feeling? You're not too nervous, okay. Isaac's pretty confident she's gonna like it, but I'm a little nervous because I'm kind of worried. I'm kind of worried that she's not gonna like what we did to her table. Come on, me and Isaac been working on a little thing for you. This is my son Isaac, by the way.
Hi, how are you? Good.
Come help me, son.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding?
Well, I hope you're not mad.
Oh, you're making it high. I can't believe you did that.
So,
Wow. Oh my gosh. What?
This is a picture from your Facebook page.
Oh my gosh.
You had
I can't believe this.
the sunflower picture that you have on your Facebook. I stole it and so
Wow. Oh, you were an artist.
yeah.
Well, that wasn't your plan, was it? When you
It wasn't.
got
It wasn't.
What?
But you seem like you really
Oh my gosh.
were attached to it. So I wanted
What
to,
made you just
wanted to bless you.
Are you sure you can't use this table?
Oh, I probably could, but I'm not. I got lots of tables.
Oh
This
my
is yours.
gosh. My
So-
parents would just absolutely love this. Oh my gosh.
Well, I hope so.
It's beautiful. That must have taken so much work.
Oh, it took a little bit of time, but I just
Oh
give
my
you that.
gosh. Thank you. Oh my god. What a blessing.
Well, that's what we aimed to do, was to bless you.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh god. His wife. Hi. And you guys are adorable. Didn't know I was being an angel when I was
Oh,
getting
no.
to see you. What do you do for a living?
I'm a married family
Oh, you're cute. Oh man, can I use you? My almost 35-year-old son's single mom, breast cancer, and we were close until, well, it's going on 5 years, and then all of a sudden he just stopped talking.
Some of this I'm going to be posting on
Of course.
because we documented the whole process.
Oh my
So you'll be able
gosh,
to watch it.
I want to.
Yeah,
Oh, and then I
but
can
maybe
share
you can
it.
even share it with him.
Oh my gosh,
You know,
yeah.
maybe he would. I don't
Well,
know. Well,
he's-
maybe not.
Turn on.
Maybe not.
Okay. How close up do you want it?
Just take a bunch of different.
Okay.
'Cause I'm
So I'll take it on 3 and then I'll zoom in. Okay.
Okay,
one-
hold it up high so the neck.
Oh, I got you
the
guys
neck
good.
thing-
Yeah. 1,
Is the table on
2, yeah,
Okay.
3. And I'll do zooming. I'm not used to your phone.
You guys, what a sweet
We just wanted
family
to
you
bless you.
are. Oh my gosh.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
You know, I thought you might be bringing it back saying I couldn't do anything with it. I get it, okay. I'll find someone else to take it to the dump. I wouldn't do that.
Well, I
No,
was
I-
hoping you weren't mad that we carved into it.
Oh my gosh, are you
Yeah,
kidding me?
yeah.
It's just so beautiful. You guys are such beautiful souls. Thank you. Thank
you
you.
like
Thank
it.
you. God bless you.
Sure.
Oh my gosh. You are that little. Oh. Nathan, is it Nathan? Yeah, okay, all right. Oh, wow.
Hope you have a Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you so much. Sweet. You are so blessed to have this family, I'll tell you.